How to transform from being a zero to a hero in the online business world. If you're a first time father like me, or a parent who needs extra funds to make sure your children have a better life, then this is for you. Because I am grateful for how my dad took on a lot of side jobs years and years ago when my older brothers and I were younger. I only found out later in life that it was to make sure that we had Christmas gifts to open up on Christmas morning. Starting from scratch may seem daunting, but with determination, proven strategies, and the right mindset, anyone can succeed. In a few minutes, I will be sharing with you the key steps and lessons that I have learned from several mentors and business partners that are well documented. Before I give you these steps, it is very important to understand what a well documented person is. A well documented person should be able to show you their back office of how much they have earned in the online space before you start taking their advice on how to duplicate their so called proven strategies. The last thing that you want to do is basically follow the wrong person and get lackluster results from poor guidance. Always do your own research before choosing someone or their program as your mentor. All right, here are the key steps. Step number one is to find your passion. What this is, what excites you? What problem do you want to solve? Because passion is what fuels motivation and commitment, giving you the drive to build something amazing. If you're into cars or racing, make content about what you love to do and find people that share your passion. Step two, research your market. Understand your target audience, their needs, and their competitors. This knowledge will guide your business strategy and will set you apart from the competition. For example, if you're a first time dad like I am, you would want to address the needs of what fathers are thinking and stressing over. Do they have needs that their jobs are not giving them, like pay time off for bonding with their newborn, or even requesting time off? Step three, create your online presence. Build a professional brand and content around it. Optimize it for search engines and engage with potential customers through social media. A strong online presence is crucial in today's ever changing digital world. The key here is to be consistent and show up for your audience on a daily basis. This can include recording videos like reels and stories and shorts on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Good content that you create will resonate with your audience and build the like, know, and trust. People love a feel good story with an epiphany of what you found that has helped you in your journey. Step number four is to make sure that you deliver value. Provide exceptional products or services that solve your customers' problems. By exceeding expectations, you'll build a loyal customer base and a reputation for quality. The more you can outline and visualize the plan for someone, all of your products and services will merely be vehicles that will help them achieve their desired results. If you are promoting high ticket courses in the make money online niche, you would want to outline your lead's plan to build a strong social media awareness, a brand, to get more followers and traffic to what they are offering, which will convert into sales in order for them to hit their income goals. Step number five is to scale up. As your business grows and you're out of that beginner phase, you want to learn how to delegate tasks and automate processes and form strategic partnerships through collaboration. Take calculated risks and expand your reach to maximize your success. You can actually do this by hiring admins or professional assistants to help you and schedule quality leads whom you would want to work with and interview. They can even help you write or edit your own content to free yourself from the valuable time. This way, you can actually focus on more revenue producing activities, right? If you actually don't want to employ or train other people, you can actually replace them altogether and just rely on AI tools. These tools like CapCut, Chat GPT, and vidIQ will assist you to automate these processes. Remember, building an online business takes time and effort. And like I said before, it requires a strong positive mindset because these are not overnight results. These are not overnight success stories from a real rags to riches. That takes time. But by following these steps, you can rise above and create a thriving venture from nothing, from scratch. And this is not a sprint and is therefore a constant marathon because we want to make sure that you're in this for the long term, the long haul, and not get easily overwhelmed and wind up quitting. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it inspired and motivated you to start your own online business empire. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to this channel. And if you're watching this on YouTube, or follow me on this Facebook page right here for more insightful content. Until then, keep reaching for the stars, and I will continue to cheer on to your success. Bye for now.